Oh yes, we don't come back and we get very casual guests. We go chook mouth inside everything we done the talk since morning, right about now. This person we get for inside the building now, Dr. Kuinu, and she's a founder of the Educator, a non-profit organization where focus on building new generation of youths where they're very passionate about Baba Gode and people where be said then go they work in sexual integrity and fulfilling purpose. This same person her passion extends so they work with disadvantaged women and girls, especially those where be said they don't do plenty badness and abuse for inside the obodo and outside. Welcome, ma.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Plenty.
So much talk about our last story. The last story, I don't say you be the year, but we consign the man we kill in 41 days old baby. What do you think about this particular story?
Na sad one, very, very sad one, because you know which so. I mean, na marriage, you talk and say, I go marry you. And for then for better for us. And if the worst, fit handle them anymore, then rather than commit murder, it's simple, say you're not doing again. That is better than make you kill someone. I really feel sorry for the whole family. And the man now, see, because passion, now crime, they call them for America where they come from, crime of passion.
Yes.
When passion hook someone, they think very well. Wow. That's why they talk about sexual purity and abstinence. Okay. Because crime plenty when you allow that passion to really overtake you, to take you, and all you think about now the girl where you want marry. That girl where you did there now, where you want divorce this one marry. So it's important, for us to begin to educate people to be able to control themselves, and when they need help, they should seek for help.
Seek for help.
When you say help, they ask them, I say, social workers. I get social workers where they say they help. So if you say, when you say seek for help, where and who is supposed to seek help?
Not true you talk, and that is part of waiting with the talk, and that was what forced me to decide to focus on counseling.
Okay.
Because I do my master's and PhD in mental health and marriage and family, sex therapy and marriage and family. Because I look around me, I see there is not so many places where we go for help. Many people no get the training.
Yes.
So one of the things where we go beg government is the need to put in place opportunity for this kind of training, so that people, even social work, more people can go and study social work.
Yes.
Because people are not encouraged to study social work because they say, waiting, I go work. I won't work for bank. But if government will begin to talk about the need for counselors, social work, then people they're encouraged to go and study social work, and then we go provide job for them. The government and other big NGOs can set up counseling centers that people go to. Like the way we set up this office of the public defender.
Yes.
Like that man now even go there to talk to a lawyer. So for the office of the public defender, we also now can join with counselor and social work. It goes good because many people, they go through many things they push them to do these bad things that they need help for counseling.
Okay, but the shocking thing now, sometimes we go to say, oh, the person come from a very good home. You understand? We say, oh, the person come from a very good home. Waiting be that, because some parents don't understand, say you feel abuse your child mentally or emotionally, not when you use cane. You feel abuse them and the thing go grow right from childhood. Now yesterday we talk about when verbal abuse. Parents, mostly Nigerian parents, they are your head, see your mates, then you start comparing. The person go come, they look himself, say they're very inferior. I think the teaching should start from like maybe from single parents, because yes, they affect them more than the main parents. And when it reached to that point, I think maybe marriage counselors, before people actually marry, should really get involved majorly on that part. There's a way you train a child, not just having the child. What do you think about that?
I agree with you, my sister, seriously. Because you find out it's even part of, I just finished a training now for 2 weeks. Training on domestic violence prevention, child sexual abuse prevention, parenting on purpose, and working with troubled children. And waiting, we don't find out, say many of these things, all these things start from the house.
True.
All these things start from the house, and that when you abuse a child, whether now for sexual abuse or psychological abuse or emotional abuse, that thing go stick. Because you see, the brain still they develop, and every information where they go in, we go there and wrap itself and help the, either cause the brain to shrink or cause the brain to learn more, And so all these things eventually in future comes back. And that's why you go see somebody go there, do something, and you go say where this thing come from. But when we come investigate and check, we go see different things we don't happen for childhood. That the brain has stored and taken hold of, and it has gone into the recess of the brain, but it will always come back. So that's why we say, this word where we do say, for as a pastor, we they say that this tongue na power of life and death. This tongue is waiting with really resemble God, where if we speak, the thing they happen. Many people don't destroy the destiny of their children as they speak bad thing. Because as you speak those words, now fire, it go just go stab the heart and it go stay there. And this child they remember them every time he want to do something. He go remember that word where they don't in mama, especially if in mama. That's why my job starts with talking to mama and papa.
The mother.
In fact, because that is where the school of life they start from the home. And so the seed where you plant for inside your pikin, now him you go grow it, you go come the reap am. And that is waiting with the reap in all these things where we they see. So I truly agree with you.
Yeah.
Okay, Ma, I want to quickly refer us to the second story we get today about the 40-year-old woman who begin get sexual relations with her Pekin 12-year-old friend. So for that kind of situation, I want actually know, because we talk about how mental abuse they affect children and everything. Who you want blame from this for this situation? One blame the mama of the 12-year-old or the mama? The second mama will be 40, we actually decides, okay, what, I won't get sexual relations with this 12-year-old Pekin. Or we won't blame the Pekin, say the Pekin know what's in their right and he not do it. Because they try to find out, because at a point we need, we need to figure out where the faults come from and who we go blame so that we go fit take precautions for next time. So in this kind of situation now, who we won't blame?
Okay, I will start with the law. Under issues of child sexual abuse, it's not the child to blame.
Okay.
Any child that is under 18 that is abused, will have sex with an adult. Now the adult, because research shows that a child's brain, the executive functioning part, the decision-making part is still the growth small. And like around the age of 21, now him go come they fully develop. And so an adult way is supposed to know the right thing. Now taking advantage, we can't take advantage of the 12 years old. So number one, that adult don't commit child sexual abuse. So now him we go focus on. Now the second issue I go tackle here is say that woman, remember when they say many things where we happen to us in the past, when we no deal with them, can come to affect us in future. We did say something where we say the victim become the abuser.
Yeah.
We can't see a lot of cases like that, that if you sit that woman down, she don't get stuck in childhood, because we say it in counseling, say the age of your abuse, now the age where you get stuck. They grow past that age. So if maybe a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a counselor sit with that 40-year-old woman, you go find something plenty.
We happen to her at that age.
For her around that childhood that she never let go.
Word.
And she could not go beyond, because why would a 30-year-old want to have sex with a 12-year-old?
Yeah.
There is something that is happening where they happen inside there. And that is why they say that apart from sending people to prison because they commit crime, as I go back again to say we need centers where counselors they work. Because that woman, that perpetrator might have been a victim. And so the way they work is that we go work with both the victim and the perpetrator, because prison no go solve the problem.
At all.
The perpetrator, something don't bend for inside the perpetrator, for inside that person where you commit that thing. And so also the mama, they talk to parents now, say, make you be careful, watch your children very well. Your children no go just go to someone's house, say my friend's house. Make you investigate where your child they go, where they go do, because this thing not go happen once. So the perpetrator would have gradually been wooing the child, And if we mama and papa they vigilant, we go see some conversations, some text messages, some all those behavioral change and small things. So everyone, they responsible. You know, the mama, the woman we sleep, the 40-year-old. As parents, we need to rise up again. Say, as you said before, you know, be to born child. And they tell people, well, if you're not ready to parent, no bother. Don't bother.
I tell you.
Because parenting now work, full-time work. Who say parent, when say women no get job? Full-time, to sit down and do parent. And this one no be only woman job. For this time where we did now, fathers cannot afford to sit down and fold their hand. This one a joint venture that you go watch because predators, they out there. People that have been abused, people that have been victims, that are now perpetrating. Everywhere now is like we're living in a world now, you know. So God will continue to help us.
Amen. Oh, amen. Because if person where they out there, maybe you know of person where they abused or you have been the victim yourself and they try to cure yourself of the pain and they won't try to reach you, how they go fit to reach you?
Hey, that one is tough small because I
no
did travel
website,
tomorrow.
nothing at all.
But I get website.
Yes,
so
yes,
I go www.theeducatorng.org.
www.theeducatorng.org.
You get them.
Okay.
All right, you don't hear Rama. We will actually need to buy a small break and she actually give us plenty information for a long time. We go last for a long time. Yes. So now you don't know the role of the parents in this present age with it. All right, we're going to buy a small break. When we come back, other things are going on top of the show.
They come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.